Shut up and sit down.
Hello, gang. Colin here. Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie. Oh, yes. We have had another prezzie. And it's been opened because I needed to check. But it's from my good friends, Jackie Stevens and Kevin Stevens. So, yeah. So, without further ado, shall we open it up? Yeah, why not? So let's open it up and have a quick lookykins at what we got. Yeah, Jackie's raided my Amazon wish list. Bless her. They've got me some treats because, as you know, I'm type 2 diabetes, and every now and then you get what I call the EBGBs, and yeah. She's been through and spied the triple treat, fruit nut and chocolate Marsies, just so that if I'm having a bit of a moment, I've got a boost nearby to the bench. She's very, very crafty, is our Jackie. And she kept pestering me, saying, "Oh, yeah, I heard you got a wish list thing. What is that?" And I said, "I'll put a link up in my description, love." Didn't think anything of it. And yeah. She raids it every now and then, and she sends me a nice little treat. So let's have a quick look at what you get. There's 18 of these bad boys. So I'm going to give them to H so that she can issue them to me so I don't have too many lying around the man cave. Because you know what I'm like, folks. If I've got a box of 18 of these bad boys, I'm going to sit down and chow down on the things, aren't I? So look at that. Oh, isn't it? And that's the triple treat. Look, fruit, nut and chocolate in there. Oh, Jackie, you are a darling, an absolute darling. So these are really going to come in handy because where we've been in the Zoom hangout some nights, I get a little bit caught out and I forget to take my meds, and every now and then I forget to do my sugars and things like that. And yeah, I do then have to suddenly go and get something because I'm having a bit of a moment. Jackie, you are a superstar. And there's, for those that are interested, there's 18 40-gram bars in there. And yeah, she really is quite a superstar because she spots these things. Or she'll drop a hint. Do you have treats at the bench? No, I should do really. I need to go through and just have something. And she goads me into it and leads me into it, and then all of a sudden I get a message going, "You might get a knock at the door later, love. We'll check your drop box." So yes, there you go. Kevin, Jackie, yet again, a fault of dear old Festa. So yeah, it's a nice little quick video for you there, folks, but also it's a way of me acknowledging the gift and saying another thank you, Kevin and Jackie. Seriously, you can be lifesavers. They do mother me, folks. They really do. But I need it. I need telling off. As Scout Model News will verify. Yeah, I do need telling off. So massive, massive thank you. And yeah, we got noms. Fox, I've got triple treat Mars bars, mate. You haven't. Yeah, I now need to go and do that walking away music and issue these to my dear missus and say, I'm going to keep a couple in the cave, but they're there in the fridge just in case. All right then, folks, love you and leave you. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll see you on the next videos that I release. Bye bye for now. Thank you, Kev. Thank you, Jackie. Bye.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,